Hello, my English language learners. You all are welcome to my English class. Today's topic is alphabets, and we will try to learn letter O. Its sound is O. Let's get started. O for onion, O for oak. Onion, oak. O for orchestra, O for orchid. Orchestra, orchid. O for oats, O for octopus. Oats, octopus. O for omelette, O for officer. Omelette, officer. O for oatmeal, O for ox. Oatmeal, ox. O for ocean, O for orange. Ocean, orange. O for olives, O for owl. Olives, owl. O for oyster, O for oven. Oyster, oven. O for oil, O for orca. Oil, orca. O for otter, O for oar. Otter, oar. O for ointment, O for obstacles. Ointment, obstacles. O for oxygen, O for ostrich. Oxygen, ostrich. O for opal, O for octagon. Opal, octagon. This is it for now. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Candyland Club. Thanks for watching. See you soon.